Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw USDT from Coinbase Wallet to Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're looking to secure your USDT on a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. It's quick, straightforward, and crucial for protecting your assets in an ever-evolving crypto landscape. First things first, why do this? USDT is a stablecoin tied to the US dollar, and moving it to a Ledger Nano X adds an extra layer of security with offline storage. Before we start, make sure you have your Coinbase wallet set up with USDT, and your Ledger Nano X is connected and updated to the latest firmware. Always double-check for the 2025 updates to avoid any compatibility issues. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and log in securely. Navigate to your USDT balance and select the Withdraw option. You'll need to choose the withdrawal network. Stick with ERC20 for USDT to ensure compatibility with your ledger. Step 2. On your Ledger Nano X, open the Ethereum app since USDT is an ERC20 token. Connect your device to your computer via USB and enter your PIN for access. In the Ledger Live app on your computer, go to the Accounts section and copy the Ethereum address where you want to receive the USDT. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, paste that Ethereum address into the withdrawal form. Double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits, and review the network fees. Step 4. Confirm the transaction in Coinbase. You'll get a confirmation email, and the funds should appear in your ledger after a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Ledger Nano X balance to verify everything. A quick tip. In 2025, be aware of any new regulations or enhanced security features on both platforms. Always use a secure connection and never share your private keys. That's it, you've successfully withdrawn your USDT. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there.